to our mini talk show with me, Salsabila Molina, and I'm here with my two amazing co-hosts. I am Melanie Putri.
And I'm Lily. Today we have special guest. She is first semester from English Education Department.
We are going to have a little conversation with our guest today. So please introduce yourself to our viewers.
Hi, my name is Tianke Shafira. I'm from class PBI 1B. I live in Sukabumi.
Thanks for introducing yourself. Before we get into the deeper stuff, how is your day going so far?
Thanks, Chloe. I'm going to well.
That's good to hear. Anyway, how's your experience been so far as a freshman baby student? Anything surprising or different from what you expected?
So far, my experience has been really enjoyable. Uh, Even though I sometimes felt a bit confused because everything I is still new to me, but I think that normal since this is my first semester and I'm still learning how college life work and I enjoy learning it.
Oh, I see. That makes sense. Yeah, I remember when I was in my first semester, everything felt new and kind of overwhelming too, but it was also exciting at the same time.
My favorite.
And say, yeah. So since you are talking about your experience, I'm curious, what's your favorite subject so far?
My favorite subject is grammar, maybe because it's still semester one, so the material is easier to understand, and the class is also fun, and I enjoyed learning it.
That's cool that you enjoy grammar. Honestly, I wasn't really a big fan of grammar back then. Yeah, it was a bit challenging for me. Yeah, anyway, aside from that, what would you say is the biggest challenge you are facing right now as a first semester in English education student?
The biggest challenge for me is learning to the English education academic improvement. Sometimes I still don't fully understand the lesson experience when everything is explained in English, but I try to practice more outside the classroom so I can improve.
Yeah, that's totally understandable. Adjusting to college takes time. Yeah, for real. I think all of us struggle a bit at the beginning too. It takes time to get used to the academic environment, especially everything in English, yes. Yeah, but it definitely gets easier the more you practice.
Speaking of adjusting, we heard you are active outside of classes. You like dancing. How to get into it and what dance do you usually do?
Um, I usually like doing modern dance, but sometimes I also perform traditional Indonesian dance depending on the event. I enjoy both because dancing help me express myself and active.
Oh, that's cool. Since you love dancing, are you involved in any club or organization like dancing club or uh, arts organization?
Yes, I am joined in the Sanitary UKM. It's a traditional dance club, so we focus more on Indonesian cultural dance. I really like it because I can learn different traditional styles, and the members are very friendly. It's also helped me relax and meet new people.
That must be interesting meeting the people will people with the same passion.
Alright, before we close things up, let's do something fun real quick. We have a short either or challenge. You just pick one option as fast as you can, okay?
Okay. Morning person or night owl?
Morning person.
Study early or last minute cramming?
Study always.
Group projects or working alone?
Group project.
Notes on paper or notes on phone?
Notes on paper.
Online classes or offline classes?
Offline classes.
Yes. Hanging out with friends or relaxing at home?
Hang out with friends.
Okay, thank you. This nice answer you had.
Okay, now before we close, we want to ask one last question. What your hopes or goals for this semester, or maybe even for your whole journey in English education?
My hope for this semester is to strengthen my basic English skill and adjust well to campus life for for the long term. I want to become a confident English teacher who can inspire students. I also want to improve my communication skill, both for teaching and daily life.
Wow, those are amazing goals. We really hope you achieve them.
I mean. Well, that wraps up our session today. Thank you so much, Jihan, for joining us and sharing your story.
Thank you for all our viewers for watching.
See you in the next episode.